My name is Ria Maria and I'm the sales manager for Pinnacle Welding and Safety. We are a group of companies supplying various sectors of the markets, from PPE all the way through to industrial products. So we're very proud to introduce our new outdoor range which we have launched this year. So we are introducing puffer jackets, we are introducing body warmers, we are introducing a new range of fallies that has done very well for us, and then also new safety boots as well as respiratory products specifically made for the mining industry. So we're very pleased and very happy to introduce this to the market. It's a one-stop shop that we can, a one-stop solution that we can offer to the customer. So that obviously adds a lot of value to customers' business. Partnering with A-OSH, such a big brand and such a pivotal brand within the PPE market, for us it is a huge thing, and yeah, we just value that relationship that we've got, that partnership that we've got, and just the quality of visitors that comes through. You know, that is why we're here, and you know, we want to offer the solution that people experience within the workplace. So yeah, it's awesome, and if you want to stay on top of your game, this is the place to be.